Ever been in the middle of a route in Samsung firmware update, only for it to fail, leaving you staring at that dreaded error code? Oh, it's a truly frustrating moment that can make you panic about your expensive but don't worry, you're not alone, and we're going to walk through exactly how to get your Samsung back on track.
Okay, before we dive into anything complex, let's start with the age-old tech wisdom. Have you tried turning it off and on again seriously the full power cycle by unplugging it for a good 5 seconds and then plugging it back in? Can clear up so many glitches while you're at it. Double check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, because a shaky internet link is often the silent saboteur of a successful firmware download. If your TV is still giving you grief after a reboot, it's time to consider updating the firmware manually using a USB drive. You'll need to head over to Samsung's official support website, find your specific model, and download the latest firmware file onto a USB stick. Once that's ready, just insert the USB into your TV, navigate to the support menu, then select Software Update to kick off the installation, bypassing any flaky network issues. Now, if both the simple restart and the USB update haven't resolved that stubborn error code, that might be time for a more drastic measure of factory reset. This will wipe all your personal settings and apps, essentially returning your TV to its out-of-the-box state. While it's a bit of a hassle to set everything up again, a fresh start can often resolve underlying software conflicts that were preventing the firmware from installing correctly. If you try all these troubleshooting steps and that past error code is still staring back at you, that might be time to wave the white flag and reach out to Samsung's customer support. There's a chance the issue could be more complex, perhaps even a hardware problem that requires professional diagnosis. Make sure to have your TV's model number and any error messages handy when you call them so they can assist you efficiently.